Trump Set Spike is a fast-paced, volleyball-themed, two-player trick-taking game with several twists. Both players have equally strong hands and will always know exactly what cards their opponent holds. There are no rounds and no fixed trump. Rather, the game simply continues until one player wins, with both players having the ability to control which suit is trump. In this battle of equals on the court, the smarter player will emerge victorious. Trump Set Spike consists of 43 cards and a single trump token. To set up the game, both players take a set of 8 team cards. These cards are valued 1 to 8 in a mix of 2 different suits, trophy and whistle. And the 2 teams are identical except that the suits are reversed. Next we have the 24 point cards. These cards are worth 1, 2, or 3 points, and some of them have special rules. Shuffle these cards together to form a face-down stack in the middle of the table. There are also 3 tiebreaker cards. Set these aside for now. These will only be used, of course, in the case of a tie. Finally, flip the trump token and set it next to the stack of point cards. The suit showing will start the game as the trump suit. Place the top card of the point stack face up in the middle of the table. This is the card that is currently available. Then flip over the next card so that everyone knows what card will be available next. Both players simultaneously choose a team card from their hand to play. Then these are revealed, and the winner of the trick is determined using normal trick-taking rules. The winner takes the available point card, and all played team cards remain on the table. This process is repeated until one player reaches 25 points and wins the set, or until the point cards run out, at which time, if there is no winner, the players must be tied 24-24 and will proceed to the tiebreaker. The tiebreaker consists of 3 cards. To claim a card, you must win 2 consecutive tricks. The first player to claim 2 cards wins the tiebreaker and the set. And the first person to win 2 sets wins the match. Every team card in Trump Set Spike features a special ability, many of which are triggered by actually losing the trick. Let's take a quick look at these now. If you lose a trick with the 1, you can take all of your team cards back into your hand. The only other way to retrieve your cards is after you have played all 8 of them. If you win a trick with the 2, you get to take all face-up point cards, including the one on the top of the stack. If you lose a trick with the 3 or 4, you can change trump if you want to. If you win a trick with the 5, you get to swap a card from your hand with one on the table. If you lose with the 6, you get to look at the top 3 cards in the point stack and put them in any order. If you lose with the 7, you get to choose a card for your opponent to discard from their hand. And the 8s have a permanent ability, namely that the non-trump 8 always beats a trump 8. Some of the point cards also have special rules. For example, this symbol means that the order of cards is reversed. In other words, the lowest card will win the trick. If you see this symbol, you immediately add another point card onto this trick, making it more valuable. And finally, this symbol means that for this trick only, you ignore trump, and the highest card takes the trick. Featuring minimal luck, especially for a trick-taking game, Trump Set Spike puts the emphasis on reading your opponent and timing your big move. And the special abilities on the team cards and the special rules on the point cards provide a lot of replayability and intrigue, especially for a game consisting of just a small deck of cards and a single token. I hope you enjoyed this overview, and I hope you will enjoy playing Trump Set Spike. Thank you.